How to fix Destiny 2 Lightfall FPS drops and lag. 1. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Change the game settings. Field of view, 90. Anti-aliasing, SMAA screen space ambient occlusion, off. Texture anisotropy, 4x. Texture quality, medium. Shadow quality, medium. Depth of field, low. Environment detail distance, medium. Foliage detail distance, high. Character detail distance, high. Motion blur, off. Light shafts, medium. Wind impulse, off. Chromatic aberration, off. Render resolution, 100%. Film grain, off. 3. Remove all the game cache. To do so, backup then delete the Destiny PC folder at %of/Bungie. 4. Adjust the virtual memory. Quit background apps. 6. Disable or undo overclocking. 7. Disable in-game overlays. 8. Verify the integrity of game files. And for Epic Games players,